Welcome to our introduction to deleting messages in Slack. Slack provides powerful tools for managing your workspace communications, including options to remove individual messages or perform bulk cleanups. Throughout this video series, we'll explore different deletion methods, from simple single message removal to advanced bulk operations available to workspace administrators. We'll also cover important considerations like retention policies, mobile app features, and best practices to ensure you use these tools effectively and responsibly. Deleting a single message in Slack is straightforward and works the same way across platforms. First, hover over the message you want to remove. This reveals additional options. When you hover, a three-dot menu appears next to the message. Click on the three-dot menu icon that appears. From the menu, select Delete Message to proceed. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Delete to confirm. Once confirmed, the message is immediately removed from the channel or direct message for all participants. You'll have a brief 5-second window to undo the deletion if you change your mind. The same steps apply whether you're using Slack on desktop or mobile devices. Slack now supports limited bulk deletion for individual users. On desktop or mobile, right-click or long press to select multiple messages. You can select up to 50 messages at once. After selecting the messages, choose the Delete option. This is useful for cleaning up conversations or removing multiple unwanted messages. Note that this is not a delete all function, it's a targeted selection and deletion process. Workspace owners and administrators have more extensive deletion capabilities in Slack. They can use Slack's enterprise grid features to delete messages across multiple channels, providing broader control over workspace content. Admins can access the admin dashboard to perform these bulk cleanups. The interface provides options for deleting messages across channels, with controls restricted to administrators and workspace owners. Through Slack's enterprise grid features, administrators gain powerful tools for managing messages at an organizational level. This includes the ability to delete messages across multiple channels simultaneously and implement retention policies that automatically handle message cleanup. Slack has integrated AI-assisted tools like Clarity AI to help identify sensitive messages for deletion. This AI analyzes message content to flag potentially sensitive information, making the bulk deletion process more efficient and reducing the manual workload for administrators. These admin controls provide workspace owners and administrators with comprehensive tools for efficiently managing and deleting messages across multiple channels, enhanced by AI assistance for better accuracy and speed. It's important to understand the limitations of message deletion in Slack. Messages cannot be deleted if retention policies are in place. This includes situations like legal holds or compliance purposes where data must be preserved. Slack prioritizes data integrity and transparency, ensuring that important information is protected and actions are visible. Users may receive notifications if their messages are deleted by an administrator, maintaining transparency. Be aware that using third-party apps or scripts for bulk deletion is discouraged and can violate Slack's terms of service. Remember, these limitations help maintain data integrity and compliance in Slack workspaces. Slack's mobile apps for iOS and Android now support bulk deletion, matching desktop capabilities. Long press messages to select multiple for deletion, maintaining consistency across devices. The web app has improved with keyboard shortcuts such as Ctrl-Shift-D on Windows for quick message deletion, enhancing efficiency for bulk operations. Make sure to use the latest Slack app version to access these features. The deletion process remains similar across platforms, though interfaces may vary slightly by device. Before deleting any messages in Slack, always confirm your action. Deletion affects team communication and can impact ongoing discussions or shared knowledge. Use Slack's built-in search function to precisely locate the messages you want to delete before taking action. This helps avoid accidentally removing important information. If you're dealing with sensitive data, consider exporting the messages first for record-keeping purposes. Slack allows you to export conversations before deletion to maintain compliance and documentation. Always be mindful of the conversation context when deleting messages. Avoid removing content that might disrupt ongoing discussions or remove important context for your team members. Finally, communicate with your team about deletion policies to ensure everyone understands the guidelines and expectations. This promotes transparency and prevents misunderstandings. Slack's message deletion features are evolving, driven by privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA, remote work trends, and AI integration. Expect to see more customizable retention policies and AI-driven cleanup options in the future. AI-driven cleanup options will help identify and remove duplicates or off-topic threads automatically. Slack is also likely to integrate more closely with Salesforce's ecosystem, potentially automating deletions based on CRM data. As Slack competes with other platforms, it may introduce features like user-voted deletions or blockchain-verified permanence. Stay updated with Slack's official announcements to leverage the latest deletion tools and policies.